Hello everyone. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to create a clean environment to raise and manage a large number of TikTok shop accounts. When opening a shop, you can choose one of the following three types of business. First is individual. You must have a citizen identification card, ID card, or passport to verify your identity. Personal bank account. With each type of document, you can register one TikTok shop account. Next is the type of business. To open a shop, you must provide a valid business license and a business bank account. With each business license, you can open at least 2 shops. And finally, household. You must provide a business household certificate. The name of the bank owner is the same as the business certificate. You can open at least 2 shops on one business certificate. Choose the type of business that suits you and note the following. One is that you cannot change the type of store. For example, changing from individual to company or vice versa. Secondly, each email/phone number can only be used for one shop. If used for shop A, it cannot be used for shop B. If you have already used a citizen ID card, the next account can use a passport or ID card. You can also borrow information from relatives and friends. However, you must note that the bank account must match the information provided on the documents. This also greatly affects future taxes. For those of you who want to create a TikTok shop account in other countries, such as the US, you are required to have a social security number. So where does this information come from? You can borrow from friends and relatives in the US. Or rent information. You can learn more about this part on Making Money Online forums. In today's video, Hidemyacc will focus on how to create clean environments to register a series of TikTok shop accounts without being locked. TikTok still allows users to open multiple accounts. But why are some people's accounts suspended, while others are not? This depends on many factors, such as usage behavior, products for sale, IP or device. Hidemyacc will focus on explaining the 2 most important issues, IP and device. First is the IP address. If there are too many accounts created from the same IP address, TikTok will definitely be suspicious and may block access from this address. If you want to create a clean environment for each account, you must change the IP for each account. Which country's IP depends on the country where you registered the account. You can use VPN, DCOM, or proxy to fake IP. But proxy is still the most popular way because it is simple and highly effective. There are many types of proxies on the market. For TikTok, you should prioritize residential proxy or mobile proxy. You can refer to this video by Hidemyacc to know how to check the quality of the proxy to see if it is suitable for your bet. Next is the device. Usually, each phone can log 3 to 5 TikTok accounts. On PC, you can log multiple accounts on different Chrome profiles. However, the disadvantage of Chrome profiles is that they have the same browser fingerprint parameters. Even if you add a proxy to fake IP for each profile, TikTok can still detect based on the browser fingerprint parameters. There are many solutions on the market to help change the browser fingerprint. The most popular are VPS and Antidetect browser. Combo Antidetect browser and proxy is still a familiar way for many brothers. When creating new profiles, you can set parameters such as user agent, add proxy, add extension if needed, change device memory, screen size, etc. Compare 2 Antidetect browser profiles that are both created and run on the same machine. But the website will recognize them as profiles created on 2 different devices. With this method, you can create a series of clean and separate environments to manage multiple TikTok shop accounts. After creating a clean environment and preparing the info set, you proceed to register an account. Each country will have a different link to register an account. Hidemyacc will attach a link to open TikTok Shop US below the description for your reference. You can register with your phone number/email or log in via your TikTok account. Next, choose the business type. This cannot be changed, so please choose correctly from the beginning. Continue to upload documents to verify your identity. And fill in the required information to complete. After successfully opening the shop, you can post products for sale. In the next part, Hidemyacc will guide you in detail on how to set up an account after successfully registering. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you find the video useful, please like and subscribe to Hidemyacc's YouTube channel so you don't miss the following parts. If you have any questions, please contact Hidemyacc's support team via live chat for the earliest support. See you in the next part.